Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a flathead screwdriver, open the plastic guide for the positive terminal cable. Pull on the fastening latch of the plus terminal to disconnect it. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of your vehicle. With a small flathead screwdriver, separate the holding tab, then unclip the hull of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. To remove the cover of the battery box, pull upwards to unclip it, then towards you to take it off. With a socket wrench, a long extension and a 10mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Using socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the negative terminal and remove it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the negative terminal back in place, all while holding it in full, and screw it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the battery cover back on, inclining the cover forwards so that it goes in, then push it downwards to lock it in place. Slide the plastic cover back in place. Reconnect the positive terminal while simply flipping the locking cap downwards. Reposition the cable in the guide on the battery tray. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.